My name is Mike, and welcome to Mad River Outdoors. We want to drop a culvert pipe in here. We purchased a 15-inch by 20-foot culvert pipe. We're going to drop it into this ditch, and we're going to cover it with stone. One of the big challenges that we're having is that we're trying to get to the other property where the tiny cabin is, but it takes a long time because you got to go out one driveway, down the road, and into the other, where we could easily cut a few minutes off our trip just doing this. So it makes sense. We picked up 20 tons of stone. So we're gonna take that stone and we're gonna backfill it into this ditch, and then we gotta cut some trees down here so that we can make room for that culvert pipe. All right, so we got this brush cleared out. The roots aren't really that bad. It looks great. So we should just be able to get some stone in here, drop the culvert pipe, and we're good to go with our road. I'd say that's a pretty good amount burned through that tree. We're almost halfway through it. Difference in grade where my foot is to where this pipe is?
Yeah, it's got to come up a few inches, yeah.
Mine just uses like small holes.
You can do like do 2 bowls. One. It doesn't have to be perfect. We're gonna unfold it after you get started with the video.
Wow, what a brutal day today. It was about 90 degrees out here, but we made our goal happen. We got this pipe laid in. We got that fabric from Amazon laid in. It worked out really well. It was 13 by 105 feet, and I'd say we used about 50 feet overlaying it different directions just to make sure we were covered. We got 20 tons of stone laid in. It's basically up to grade with the driveway here, so it's an easy slide in, and then there's a little bit of an incline and it goes out. I'd say that's a good 50 foot of distance right there. So thank you for taking the time to check out my channel and join me on this adventure. I'm really glad that we were able to share this accomplishment with you guys. I'm sitting here filming my outro, and I got this snake that happens to be crawling at my feet as I'm starting to walk away. This is crazy. Look how big this guy is. One of the projects that we need to tackle up here is that we've got these trees that have grown up over the years. They're encroaching on the utility pole that we have, and they're starting to get in and entangled through the wire. So we need to get that taken care of before those trees grow very wild and rapidly into that wire and end up causing a big problem down the road. As you can see, we were successfully able to get the trees cut. We didn't injure or damage the utility lines, the power wire in any way, so this worked out really great, better than expected. And we've got all this free firewood. Let's get burning.